Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to take the briefest of looks of snapshots within Adobe Camera Raw. When we work our images through Adobe Camera Raw and we eventually open them up into Photoshop, then we can take advantage of the undo history. Now if we don't change the default settings, we can actually change 50 different editing states in Photoshop, and that's quite a lot. We can do something which we could say is similar in Adobe Camera Raw, which we call snapshots. So here I have an image where I've done a little bit of work to it and I'm reasonably happy with the image, but I would like to try something a little different. So what I can do here is take a snapshot and hold this point. So if I go to the top right of the icons, there's the snapshot icon. When we select that, down at the bottom right we have a new snapshot icon, and when we click that we're asked for a name. Let's just call this color, keep things simple, and we can click OK to that. If I go back to my basic tab, I could be experimenting with some black and white. I could give it a bit more contrast and save another snapshot once I've got to a point where I'm happy with the image. So let's go back into the snapshots and we'll call this black and white, or I'll just use BW for short. So we've got two snapshots with this particular image. Now snapshots will be saved when we either open this image up into Photoshop and it will be saved with the normal data that's saved, or when we go down to the bottom right and we click the little icon down there, done. So let me follow this process through by going down and clicking done. When we do that, it's not opened up at all because we haven't asked it to be opened. So if I go back to bridge here from my bottom bar, there's the image. Of course Photoshop will always remember the last setting we gave the image. I can double click this to open this back up into Camera Raw. I can go to my snapshots and I can go back to my original color version just by selecting it, and this is also a nice way to compare a monochrome version with a color. Now as you can see by the spinning round of the screen, I've added just one or two other snapshots to this particular image. So we have our original color, we have the black and white that I was looking at. I chose then a vintage setting and also a reduced color. But at any time we want to remove a snapshot, just highlight the one you want to remove, go down and click the bin, and it's gone. Vintage, that one's now gone, but it leaves us with black and white and our color. Now I find when I'm working images through Adobe Camera Raw, or even Photoshop come to that, I sometimes can get into that creative flow, and it tends to cloud our judgment, and it sometimes prevents us from knowing when we've got a good image. Snapshots would enable us to take a snapshot of the image at different states so we can look at it the next day or the day after and make a final judgment.